Most traders believe raw spread and zero spread accounts are basically the same. They're not. And choosing the wrong one can quietly cost you money on every single trade without you ever noticing. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the real difference between Exness raw spread and zero spread, reveal the hidden costs most traders ignore, and explain how you can cut your trading costs by up to 20% for life. Why your Exness account type matters more than strategy. If you trade on Exness, your account type can matter more than your strategy. Exness is known for fast execution and tight pricing, but that advantage only works if you choose the right account. Two traders can use the exact same strategy, enter at the same price, exit at the same time, and still get very different results. This is where most traders slowly bleed capital without realizing it. What spread really costs you? Spread is the difference between the buy price and the sell price, and you pay it on every trade. It looks small, almost harmless, but when you trade frequently, it compounds fast. For scalpers and active traders, even a fraction of a pip can decide whether a strategy survives or dies. Ignore spread long enough, and it becomes an invisible tax on your account. Exness raw spread account. Explained, the raw spread account offers extremely low spreads, often close to zero, combined with a fixed commission per lot. This makes your trading costs transparent and predictable. You always know exactly what you're paying before you enter a trade. That's why raw spread is favored by professional traders, scalpers, and high-volume traders who care about consistency and hate pricing surprises. The Exness zero spread account explained. The zero spread account is designed to show zero spread on selected major instruments for most of the trading day. Instead of wider spreads, the cost is built into the commission or pricing structure. This account attracts traders who focus on major pairs and want ultra-tight pricing during high-liquidity market hours, especially for short-term trades. Raw spread versus zero spread, the real difference. On paper, both accounts look similar because they advertise near zero spreads. In reality, the difference is how you pay and when you pay. Raw spread uses a clear commission with consistently low spreads. Zero spread shifts costs depending on the instrument and market conditions. Over hundreds or thousands, one account can quietly be much more expensive than the other. Which account fits your trading style? If you scalp, trade frequently, or want full control over predictable costs, raw spread usually makes more sense. If you focus mainly on major pairs and trade during peak market hours, zero spread can be effective. There is no universal best account. The smartest choice depends on how you trade, not on marketing words like zero, the biggest mistake most traders make. Most traders choose an account because of a single word like zero without understanding total cost. They ignore commissions, execution behavior, and how fees compound over time. That mistake doesn't wipe you out instantly. It drains your account slowly, trade after trade. Smart traders don't chase labels, they focus on total cost. How to cut your trading costs by 20% for life. Here's the advantage most traders completely miss. When you register on Exness using the partner code FC219CBWSS, you receive 20% lifetime cashback on your trading fees. This applies to both raw spread and zero spread accounts. You don't trade more. You simply keep more of what you already earn, forever. The truth about welcome bonuses. Let's clear this up honestly. Exness does not consistently offer a fixed welcome bonus. Bonuses depend on temporary campaigns and your region, and sometimes there is no bonus at all. The real long-term value is lower trading costs, and the 20% lifetime cashback beats any short-term promotion. Important risk warning. Lower spreads and cashback reduce costs, but they do not remove risk. Trading Forex and CFDs with leverage can amplify losses just as fast as gains. Always manage risk properly, use sensible position sizing, and never trade money you cannot afford to lose. Why waiting can cost you more. Partner cashback conditions are not guaranteed forever. Terms can change, and offers can disappear for new accounts without notice. If you already plan to trade on Exness, waiting only increases the chance of missing better conditions. If you want to trade with lower costs and keep more of your profits, click the link in the description. Register on Exness using the partner code FC219CBWSS. Choose the raw spread or zero spread account that fits your strategy, and lock in 20% lifetime cashback on your trading fees. If this breakdown helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want a deeper comparison or real trade examples. Trade smart, control your costs, and I'll see you in the next one.